Hello, I'm Greg Scott, founder and CEO of SRT Labs. I started my career at NASA, launching the space shuttle for the Mission Control Center, known as the MCC. The MCC is basically a massive piece of software, pulling data from thousands of sensors, designed by hundreds of contractors over decades, to manage the most complex machine built at its time. And it provides the approximately 150 or so flight controllers with the information they need, when they need it, to make essential decisions about the operations of their system. Today I'm going to tell you how we transform defense base and building operations by taking the approach of NASA's Mission Control Center to integrate infrastructure systems to make them more efficient, less expensive, and more automated. SRT Labs brings essential legacy infrastructure into a unified data management ecosystem with analytics that are ready to integrate with other applications. SRT's M1 platform is a software framework designed to act as the data layer for existing and future infrastructure, acknowledging the need to bring these siloed systems together. In neuroscience, the M1 represents the primary motor cortex of the human brain, commanding and controlling movement in response to outside inputs and influences. That's what we do for critical base infrastructure. We create the unified data ecosystem, allowing all critical infrastructure and machine technologies, regardless of manufacturer, to be monitored, analyzed, and automated from applications accessing the unified data layer. We then provide a single pane of glass dashboard so that the entire ecosystem can be monitored, and information from one system can automate actions in another. So, what is the Navy's interest? The Department of Defense manages hundreds of thousands of buildings across the world that in most cases operate with critical infrastructure systems that haven't been updated in decades. Technologies are being deployed to augment but not overhaul these legacy systems. When, not if, this infrastructure gives out, puts the DoD in crisis response mode because no insight or notice is often given to their off-nominal conditions when things are starting to look bad. Looking at that image on the right, you can see the varied types of technologies or endpoints that would streamline operations when integrated. This is a hard problem to solve because these 6 segments of connected technologies make up over 14 billion endpoint devices that were online last year alone. Yet with all of these new and existing devices, they all lack the core connectivity with a wider ecosystem. To solve this, SRT Labs has built a modular and flexible platform that was funded by the U.S. Department of Defense to address the widest variety of facilities problems by tying all of these kinds of sensors together in the same ecosystem. From 120-year-old lathes to modern LoRaWAN IoT sensors, our system was designed to handle it all, these and more. SRT's patented software, the M1 platform, supports a wide range of custom and commercially available hardware and software integrations, including IoT sensors, smart meters, service and industrial robots, programmable logic controller, or PLCs, and building automation systems. So, what is the operational use and improvement? SRT software will modernize legacy and manual systems to provide predictive notifications for anticipated machinery downtime and allow for user-defined logic and automations. The Navy is looking to reduce downtime of critical legacy facility infrastructure, primarily focused around maintenance depots, machine shops, and shipyards supporting warfighter operations. SRT's integration and analytics platform has the following characteristics. Integrations tap into existing building infrastructure systems or can be complemented by sensors from our hardware partners to build an ecosystem of data. Cross-platform analytics algorithms provide real-time insights to off-nominal operations. And cross-platform automation capability allows for user-customized logic to adjust operations to prevent catastrophic failure. When you have complex systems and a labor shortage, that's where SRT Labs thrives. We all know there is a workforce shift, with the workforce being less industrially savvy, as the graybeards are retiring and the newer workforce is more digitally savvy. Without a connected ecosystem for understanding real-time operations and pulling together all of these siloed systems, the DoD is on its heels when it comes to mission readiness. So let's talk about our technology now. SRT's M1 platform is a patented, map-based, modular hardware and software agnostic device integrations platform that provides wide-ranging facility insights by pulling data from existing infrastructure and deployed sensors to create actionable intelligence integrable with a variety of applications. Some of the key R&D developments in this SBIR work has been in developing additional flexibility for the end users so that they can rapidly deploy and switch out new devices that work in wet, salty, and dusty environments. Currently, we are focused on advancing a scalable facility health solution for deployment across the Department of Navy. We are transitioning our M1 platform, a mission control center for monitoring infrastructure systems, to an IL4, IL5 DevSecOps cloud platform for wider deployment across the bases. We are also providing greater insight to facility operations for the operations and maintenance teams, with interoperability and cross-platform communication for all fleet readiness systems, as well as monitoring systems and providing data analysis to improve processes, all to improve mission readiness for the Navy fleet, particularly at Puget Sound Naval Shipyard, the Marine Depot Maintenance Command, and Naval Facilities Command, where we currently manage deployments. When you look at the bottom of this picture, it highlights the problems of mixed old and new infrastructure systems that exist today. We work closely with groups to design ways for integrating the existing infrastructure, either by tapping directly into PLCs of existing machines or layering in additional sensors as needed. By taking this infrastructure layer and modernizing it, we create a unified data layer so that any future applications can be designed to work across the ecosystem of infrastructure systems. Our secret sauce is breaking down the facility system silos through our back-end infrastructure system, data alignment, and position-based data management architecture. That is, our secret sauce is getting everything into the blue layer. We love it when our customers use our front-end map-based dashboards as their single pane of glass for operations. But we're also more than happy to be in the background, quietly passing data from the infrastructure systems to specific front-end management platform of choice, whether that be Siemens Desigo, Power BI, a GIS platform, or the upcoming centralized planning that will be part of the Naval Autonomous Data Collection System, or another program of record. Within the government, we are ready to support several types of applications, from facility and machine health to asset tracking to shipyards, shipboard systems, and even warehouses. And commercially, we are addressing a $255 billion market opportunity by providing that same M1 platform to monitor, analyze, and automate facilities and campuses. We leverage our patent to pull together mobile and static devices into the same data ecosystem for both data management and visualization. This provides our customers with unified data analytics from the edge to the cloud, which is our sustainable competitive advantage in the market. And we're poised to thrive at a time while operations teams are striving to find ways to reduce operational costs and optimize existing processes, whether that be in the federal or non-federal space. What do we need in the Department of the Navy space to continue our transition to fleet? We are in the process of finalizing our Phase 3 IDIQ contract vehicle, which will give us the mechanism to contract to different areas of the DoD. And within the next few weeks, we will have completed our IL4 cloud deployment, which will allow us to deploy to a customer location quickly and efficiently. And we have begun to identify additional deployment opportunities with our existing SBIR customers and beyond, allowing us access to a wider customer base across the DoD. Unfortunately, we do not believe we fit specifically into any program of record, especially for maintenance and modernization of facilities. So, the new customers identified beyond our current deployments are currently based on word of mouth from our advocates at Puget Sound Naval Shipyard and our other current customer base. We appreciate their continued willingness to discuss what we are doing there with other groups across the DoD. Our strategy for working with customers mirrors our business model. With our enterprise software platform, we consult, confirm, design, and build their data and software base layer for their facilities. providing upfront implementation services to our customers to ensure that our platform is fully compatible with the systems they already have deployed within their infrastructure. We then manage that data over time as we expand across additional deployments and implement additional system integrations from our technology partners to further optimize their operational processes. We see our strongest transition opportunities with groups with similar requirements to our current deployments, which includes shipyards, Naval Facilities Command, and Marine Corps logistics and depots. In closing, I want to again thank our advocates in our current programs at Marine Depot Maintenance Command and Puget Sound Naval Shipyard. Posted here is a statement from our Navy TPOC, highlighting that the beauty of what we do is that we first layer into what our customers already have. We understand that complete process change is a long, slow, uphill battle, but process improvement, starting with where you are and what you use, and tying into the systems and applications you use now, these changes are possible, and we are there for that rapid process improvement. Please let me know if you have questions and how we can support scoping projects at your locations and for your applications.